Let's solve the equation x equals the square root of 156 plus x. Step 1. Square both sides. That gives us x squared equals 156 plus x. Step 2. Rearrange into standard quadratic form. X squared minus x minus 156 equals 0. Step 3. Use middle term factorization. We need two numbers whose product is negative 156 and whose sum is negative 1. That's why factors of 156 where we get 12 times 13. 12 and 13 work for this equation because these numbers follow the middle term rule. Those numbers are negative 13 and positive 12. So we split the middle term. X squared minus 13x plus 12x minus 156 equals 0. Step 4. Group terms. X times x minus 13 plus 12 times x minus 13 equals 0. Step 5. Factorize. This gives us x plus 12 times x minus 13 equals 0. Step 6. Solve. X equals negative 12 or x equals 13. Step 7. Check validity. If x equals 13, the right-hand side is square root of 169, which is 13. That works. If x equals negative 12, the left-hand side is negative, but the square root is always non-negative. That does not work. Final answer, x equals 13. Now do it yourself. X equals the square root of 240 plus x. Must comment your answer in comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.